Sit down, dude.
Oh, jeez. Watch out. You gotta watch out for buds. You gotta watch out for buds.
Ellie, did you get taken away on camera? Sit down.
Hi! Hi! Up a boat!
Oh, you're on a boat?
Yeah!
Fun.
Yeah. Then you want some too?
I don't think Daddy can fit in your boat. Daddy might be too big for the boat.
Where are you gonna go on your boat? Are you gonna go to Hawaii?
Yeah.
What are you gonna see on your boat? Are you gonna see dolphins? Ellie, are you gonna see dolphins on your boat, or maybe a whale?
We're running out of power. Daddy can fix your camera.
I'm doing sailing on the sea.
You're sailing on the sea. That's good.
Wee!
You got it.
Ellie, that's scary.
Wee!
Eliza, you want your camera?
Yeah.
Jeez, he wants his camera too.
Oh, sorry. I forgot that. That's not cheap.
Are you gonna take the llama on the boat too on your trip? Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Watch out for baby Nick. There he is. Now he's getting
Okay.